From the VIAIR Enhanced Flow line, this model features an updated head design for improved heat dissipation and noise reduction. For a 10% faster fill rate and 20% higher performance, hit the open road with a reliable 1.2 VIAIR compressor designed for RVs, travel trailers, SUVs, and Jeeps. With a pre-installed 2-pin SAE connector, this compressor is compatible with a variety of power adapters, including VIAIR's patented 7-way trailer plug, making it highly adaptable for different power sources and enhancing ease of use. Gas station style inflation gun W160 SI gauge, 45-degree extended reach chuck for dual rear wheels, 40-inch 90-degree twist on chuck, 25 and 30 FT coiled air hoses, 8 feet power cord, heavy-duty carrying bag, 3 inflation tips, and Presta valve adapter for bikes. Permanent magnetic motor with 150 psi max pressure and 100% duty cycle at 100 psi free flow capacity, 2.19 cfm. Recommended for any size RV tire. Ideal for Class A tires. Fills 275/80 R22.5 tire from 80 to 90 psi in 2 minutes, 15 sec. IP54 rating protects against dust and water spray from any direction. Dimensions: 12.4 x 5.8 x 7.4, 13 lbs.